I'm correcting this mistake today. I always ask to myself. Now, if you're anything like me and my friend that wrote this, sometimes we have trouble with prepositions and get confused on which one to use. I almost want to say get discombobulated. I love that word. On this sentence right here with this mistake, to is not necessary. We only want to say, I always ask myself, why do I do this? I always ask myself, why do I keep making mistakes? And I just want to say that to answer your question is a way that you can rephrase that is, I know that I make mistakes, but I'm improving every day. Try to switch that around and change your mindset. But yeah, no preposition needed here. I'm getting ready to give you a list of verbs that we use the preposition to with. So stay here if you want all 7 of them. The first one is drive. I'm going to drive to the park today. Awesome. Can you think of a sentence with the preposition drive? With the verb drive to? Drop it down in the comments below and I'll help you correct your English. The next one is talk to. I talk to my mom every day. These are verbs that are for sure you're going to use. You're going to use the preposition talk to, or you're going to use the preposition to with. How about that? Walk to. I love walking to the store or gas station. I used to do that all the time growing up. I walked to the gas station every day to get junk food, snacks, soda. Call my boyfriend on the on the payphone. Do you guys remember that phone that I don't know what it's called, a payphone where you have to put 10 cents in to make a phone call? I said, you better be here at 2 o'clock. That's what I'm calling. I don't want to waste my money. I was 15 years old. So yeah, that is a verb. Listen to. I love to listen to you speak English. You're the best. Work to. I have to work to 5 o'clock today because I got to get paid. I got to do my work. Read to. I read to my daughter every day.
She did have a black cat.
Do you read to your kids in English? They need to hear the English sounds, especially if they are under 6 or actually, I'm going to say under 10 years old. They are in that perfect time frame to hear English sounds so that they can get the American accent or speak with ease and not have trouble as an adult. So let them take advantage of it. Read to them in English. I'll give you one more. The last one is, well, can you see that one? I'll give you one more. It is fly to. I'm going to fly to your country because I cannot wait to see you. Oh my gosh. Share this video with somebody. Like, share, and subscribe and all that YouTube stuff to help somebody else with this preposition. We don't want it to kick ourselves in the behind because these prepositions are whipping us all over the place. Let's take control of our English, and I will see you in the next one. Drop a topic in the comments below if you have a question about another topic in English. See you later.